Hi guys, welcome to PrintRite. I'm your host Ranveer, and today in this video we are going to do a 3-color A3 plus size print with a underbase. So we'll take an underbase 2-stroke and rest 1 stroke, or you can go more also, that's your wish. So it's a quick video, everything is set up but we had not put color yet. So now we'll be putting color, and all the colors we had mixed except the white color. So guys, without a delay, let's start the video. So you might be seeing that I'm wearing a full color t-shirt, a CAYK print with vibrant colors. So we have done in the previous video of our with the help of our 4-color one station Pro Rider machine. So don't forget to check the video, the links are given below. Check this video, how cool is the print. So don't forget to check the video. So guys, without any delay, let's start the video, and don't forget to like and share our video, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for further notification. And if you want to start a t-shirt business, or you want machines, material, stationery, anything from us, don't forget to call the number given in the screen, or you can visit our website printrite.com. So guys, let's start the video. So guys, we have done the underbase now, 2 plus 2 stroke. We have well, because we want the white to be a little bit pop up. So, and it will also create a shade. So it's a single color print with two stroke white, and this will work as an underbase, or it also gives a highlight to the print. Now we'll go to the gray color and do the gray print. So guys, this is a light gray, is only to give the smoky type of like shade to the cat. So we created a smoky type of gray. It's very light, only 5% of black we have used and 95% of white. So it's very light, it's only to give a shade to the print. Okay guys, let's go to the next color. So guys, it is sky blue type of color. We have mixed with 30% of the blue color and of our Superb Series color, true blue color, and 70% is white. So it's only type of lightest sky blue color. So guys, let's hop up to next color. So guys, this is a third and last color, fourth and last color. This is lemonish green. It's very lemonish color, green color. And this one we have mixed with green and like 10% of the green, Cali green, 30% of lemon yellow and 60% of white. We mix it and we got this lemonish color. So the print is done. Let me take it out. So guys, you can see how cool is the print, fully graphical print with shades and 4-color job with white highlight and everything is there. So this is the printing method of 4-color print of a cat with a helmet. Hi guys, the print is done. You have seen how vibrant is the color, how good is the print came. So we have done with the print. So guys, that's it for today, and hope you like the video. Hope the video will be informative for you. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video and press the bell icon for further notification. Or if you want to start like printing business, you want machinery, stationery, accessories, anything, feel free to call the number given on the screen and do visit our website printrite.com. So for today, Ranveer is signing off. As I always say, stay tuned, see you soon and stay safe.